Hey, my flavor fam! Welcome back to Pixel Plates. I'm Chloe.
And I'm Henry. Today, we're doing something extra special, 2 incredible fried rice dishes.
I'm bringing in the heat.
First thing first, the rice. I'm using long grain parboiled basmati. It occurs deo matstedi until day. That dries us off serve with wok.
Over here, I'm using day-old jasmine rice. I actually cooked this yesterday and chilled it. That dries out the surface starch.
Don't get too cozy yet. I'm about to parboil mine with a twist.
Oh yeah? What's the twist?
A little something extra in the water.
I'm intrigued. Can't wait to see.
I'm parboiling my basmati. It's slightly soft but still has a bite. We're gonna finish it in the stock later.
Since my rice is already cooked, I'm just gonna break up the clumps with my fingers.
My stock will bring its own smoke, don't worry.
Your parboiled rice looks perfect, Chloe. This cold rice is all ready for the wok now.
Thanks! Bring all the flavor and that beautiful aroma. Now that your rice is perfectly fluffed, I'm going to pour in my hot smoked stock to bring everything together.
For my Nigerian party rice, the veggies must be colorful and finely diced. Carrots, green peppers.
It is no rainbow on top. It's very story quite separate, but sort from you.
Heavy spice rice.
Now watch this magic happen. The liver is going in with all the spices, curried in a stock. It's going to transform into something incredible.
And here we glow heat, constant stirring.
This is going to be the best rice ever.
Henry, have you ever tried liver and fried rice?
Not yet. Does it make it gamey?
Not at all. The curry, thyme, and stock mellow it. I'll make you a believer today.
Deal. And I'll teach you how to scramble eggs so they become silky clouds, not rubber.
He thinks I can't scramble eggs. I'll show him.
I'm starting my base, diced onion, garlic.
Diced onions and garlic sauteed until they're sweet and clear.
Listen to that music!
I'm getting my wok as hot as probably. The first step for me is putting shrimp and char siu going into a pan.
With flash fries for 30 seconds.
Okay, the fire show wins points. But taste? We'll see. I'm adding my diced liver now.
Now the eggs.
Boil, poured beaten eggs, everything keeps its own extra method. It builds a pot of layered flavor. Both beautiful techniques. Now I'm adding my homemade chicken stock to completely cook the rice before I mix with veggies.
I'm tossing the rice hard to separate every grain in the high heat. See how it doesn't stick? That's the day-old magic.
The rice is soaking up all that rich stock and starting to get perfectly tender.
Now I'm adding the shrimp and char siu, tossing everything together so the flavors really come alive.
Time for my rainbow, carrots, green beans, peas, sweet corn, and bell peppers. Look at this jewel box. My tiny butters at the end for gloss.
Chloe, the peas are in.
Perfect. Now for the spices.
Got it. Stirring.
And some greens, Henry.
Adding them now.
Looks amazing.
Carrots go in, followed by the eggs.
Maximum flavor party or
Time for my rainbow. Okay, let's add the veggies.
Perfect. Now for a good stir.
And some soy sauce.
Smells amazing.
It's coming together perfectly. Stir it all together, gently, so the rice doesn't break.
Behold, Nigerian fried rice. Fed from grilled beside of side.
This is like a silk pillow.
Honestly, yours is incredible, but I still think mine has that bold, comforting soul.
But after that taste, I might have to move to Nigeria.
With the audience, you get 2 amazing fried rice recipes in one video. Try them both and tag us at Pixel Plates. If you're Team Chloe, Team Dradrick, from the Rebellion. Henry, you ready?
To see you real soon, and remember to stay pixel perfect and hungry. Chloe, this is incredible.
We make a great team, Henry.
Come here.